Alright, this is my bike check. I'm rocking some ODI grips. Yeah, word. Primo Sam Squatch bars. Animal jump off classic stem. You know what it's at. Animal headset. Hyper Mia frame.
Piece of crap.
It's like
Bar crap.
Sabrosa limited edition splatter forks. I'm rocking 4 pegs.
Like a straight goon.
Odyssey, 2 shadows, and an Eastern. Yeah. For my front rim setup, I got shadow, laced to DK, laced to a demolition. Odyssey tire.
Peeling.
Alright, for my sprocket, we got Animal. And in the back, we got Animal Javelin. Pretty nice. Odyssey twisted pedals. Profile race cranks. Pretty good for street. KMC chain. Animal bottom bracket. We got FBM hub guard in the back. Shadow seat. And shadow seat post. And that's my bike check.
And an Odyssey tire in the back.
Yeah, Odyssey tire in the back. This Kyle's a goon.
Oh my god. Alright.